Assalamualaikum and greetings to the lecturer. My name is Muhammad Syamih bin Ahmed from Group 21A03. I will be presenting the background of Proton Holding Berhad and a summary of what is Human Resource Management or HRM. Proton Holdings Berhad, commonly known as Proton, is a Malaysian automotive company and corporation active in automobile design, manufacturing, distribution and sales. Proton was founded with the aim to spearhead the nation's economic development and become the foundation for local automotive industry. Proton developed their first car, Proton Saga, back in 1985, and it is their reward to be called as Pride of the Nation. Proton continues to delight its customer with cars built on its brand promise of inspiring connections and developed on its core values of always delivering innovative technology, reliability, and international standards. Next, let's move on to what is Human Resource Management, or in short, HRM. HRM duties are organizing, coordinating, and managing an organization's current employees to carry out its organization's mission, vision, and goals. HRM is vital to an organization in order for it to operate efficiently. There are several practices in HRM. Those practices are legal environment, occupational safety and health, industrial relations, and employees' rights and discipline. My group members will explain all of the practice in detail. Moving on to analysis of the HRM practice.
Hi, I'm Nuraisa Hanis binti Muhammad Khairul Nizam. My metric number is 221220752, and based on our report, I have analyzed a few practices of human resource management, starting off with practice number 1, which is legal environment. It is super important for Proton to follow employment laws and regulation. They have their own HR rules and processes in place to ensure fair hiring, employment contract, and replacement safety. By complying with the law, Proton creates a fair and supportive work environment. They also keep track of important info like contract and working hours, and stay updated on any changes to labor laws. They might even collaborate with legal professionals to ensure everything is done correctly. Next, occupational safety and health. Creating a safe working environment is crucial for Proton. They prioritize occupational safety and health by implementing policies and procedures, conducting regular safety trainings, and providing necessary tools and resources. Proton also emphasizes reporting and addressing safety concerns. They comply with occupational health standards, offering health facilities, promoting hygiene practice, and supports employee wellness. Proton truly cares about the employees' welfare and strives to establish a secure and healthy workplace culture. Next, industrial relation. In order to promote good interaction between workers and the business, industrial relation and human resource management are initial. These include handling employee complaints, maintaining open communication, and ensuring fairness. Proton would implement specific HR procedures to efficiently handle labor relations, such as open line of communication and procedure for resolving conflicts. This would also create a positive work environment by promoting employees' engagement, recognition contribution, and providing career development opportunities. Lastly, employee rights and discipline. Employee rights and discipline make sure that employees are treated fairly at Proton. This HR department has policies to protect employee rights like fair compensation, benefit, and working condition. They also have processes to address employee concern. When it comes to disciplining, Proton HR set rules for handling misbehavior, which can include warnings or other measures. It's important to have these guidelines in place to ensure a positive work environment. Thank you.
My name is Nur Shafika binti Swastika, metric number 221220758, and I'm from 21A. I'm going to present about strength and weakness of legal environment, occupational safety and health, industrial relation, and employees' right and discipline in Proton, Malaysia. For legal environment, strengths of that is protect their intellectual property rights, which that means their innovation and designs are safeguarded and giving them a competitive edge in automotive industry. Weakness of them is requiring significant resources to comply with. Next, for occupational safety and health, strengths of them is Proton Malaysia places a strong emphasis on the safety and well-being of their employees. The company invests in training and program to educate their employees about safety protocols and best practice. This helps to minimize workplace accident and injuries. But the weakness of them is communication and awareness of safety procedure among employees can sometimes be a challenge. Proton Malaysia can work on enhancing their training program and ensuring that all employees are well informed about safety protocol. For industrial relations, strengths of them is Proton Malaysia values open communication and maintains good relation with their employees. They may have initiatives such as employees feedback channel, regular meetings, and opportunity for employees to contribute to decision-making process. The weakness is it is important for the company to address any potential issues promptly and effectively to maintain a positive work environment. Communication gaps or misunderstanding can sometimes occur, leading to strained relationship. And last one is employees' right and discipline. The strength is policies related to non-discrimination, harassment prevention, and fair compensation. The company may have a structured disciplinary process that is implemented consistently and fairly. The weakness is it is important for the company to regularly review their policies and practice to ensure they align with evolving standards and address any potential gaps. Communication and understanding of employees' right and discipline procedures can sometimes be a challenge.
Hi and Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Hazi bin Muhammad Rizal. I am from group 03. Now I'm going to present about why Proton should improvise their current practices. First element is why Protons need to improvise their current practices is to keeping quality employees, especially in their talent, and focus on the company objectives. The second thing is about increase the company productions, and the last one is creating a happy workplace. So now I'm going to talk about recommendations for the Proton Holdings Berhad to improve the existing practices. For the legal environment term, my suggestion is about creating a legal compliance audit. It can create a methodical approach identifying and resolving compliance-related issues. For the occupational safety and health, my recommendations is about offering employee awareness and training programs. The programs including safety procedures, emergency protocols, and how to use personal protective equipment properly. And the third element is about industrial relations. And my suggestion is employee achievements and contribution should be honored by the organization. It will create a positive work vibes and environment. My recommendations is about offer comprehensive and unambiguous policies to enhance current employees' right practices. A progressive discipline approach can be used to improve current practices. It will preventing tarnish company image. That's all for my presentation. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. My name is BINTI. I'm from 21A. My number metric is 221222830. At the end of our report, I was given the task to give conclusion that we found Proton is automotive company in Malaysia. Its traits include being a recognized national brand in Malaysia and having a range popular vehicle model in the local market. However, there are also weaknesses such as challenges in national market and perception about the quality product. To enhance the performance, Proton needs to continue strengthening innovation and product quality, as well as expanding its export market. With the right step, Proton has the potential to continue growing and becoming a major player in the automotive industry.